got a serious one today. What's up, guys? Tristan Minton, aka Pager One, back again. Today we got a serious package from Ryse. Right into this. Coming all the way from Canada. I'm psyched to be riding for his obstacle team. I've also had a great time helping him put together a lot of graphics, and we're doing a couple artist series boards. Gonna be a solid wrap job in here for sure. Ooh, the extendo. Beautiful long flat bar. Baby is sick. Nice rainbow. Ready for this one. Boom. Yellow eighth bench. Let's go. That thing is about to get. I think I'm about to see some tricks. Ooh, I was excited for this A-frame rail. Step up. Or step down, I guess. One box down. Hey-yo. Nice tee. Rep the crew. Ooh. Can you imagine shipping cement from Canada? Boom! Oh, that thing is sick. You know, we gotta look at this. This thing is about to be hella fun. That thing is amazing. I'm ready to start. Ooh, let's go. What do we... Alright, we got one more box still. Caramel, 36. Super hyped to try these things. We got some grip, super important. Boom. Had a good time designing all these boxes. Made a bunch of cool art. These things look sick. Oh, wow. The box looks sick, right? These are some of the artist series boards. He's gonna be dropping these soon. Make sure you go check them out. They're all super limited. Super dope. All my artist series boards have their own top sheets that just turned out amazing. And then another colorway of this joint. This graphic is so dope. So cool. And then again with the sick top graphic. For the homie, Hawaii. He's on the pro board squad. Ooh, look at that joint. These artist series ones are very cool. I'm super stoked to help you launch the brand. I can't wait to see the release. All the stuff looks amazing. Dang. Thanks for checking it out. Now we gotta set up some boards, I guess. Thank you, Ryse. I had to rep the obstacle team. I'm glad we got to drop some artist series boards. Super cool. Again, limited, so get out there. Thanks for checking it. Tune in next time, baby. Oh.